See these dates on the calendar? They are all significant if you own Ripple Labs, XRP, Stellar, Lumens, XLM, heck, any crypto out there. We're also going to cover big news regarding Stellar in the month of June. Yes, big things are brewing. We're going to get to that. So let's go screen and explore the news. And as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Yeah, all these dates, don't worry, I'll have them linked for you. All right, but let's go to stories that matter to you, and I'm going to tell you why they matter to you. FC Barcelona, Manchester City, Paris Saint-Germain. Can football go any further than fan tokens? We're talking about NFT experience, crypto mass adoption, jersey naming rights. What do you think? Stadium naming rights, crypto.com. 3.5 billion fans watch the sport of soccer/football, with 250 million players playing globally. Those are a bunch of eyes out there, and crypto now is starting to invade the sponsorship space in football. This is great. Why? This is expanding crypto to more and more people, and it's also a way to get a better positive perception on crypto, because recently it has been negative. So now we're going to switch from football to golf. What? Yep. Think of golf as a super conservative outlet out there. PGA Tour event to accept cryptocurrency. So now one of our most conservative sporting venues out there is accepting cryptocurrency. The Barracuda Championship in California will become the first PGA Tour event to accept cryptocurrency payments, with fans able to purchase tickets, hospitality, and sponsorship packages. Yes, mass adoption of crypto is now invading golf sponsorships. So let's go to that calendar now and let's get to these important dates. All right, here's what you've been waiting for, the calendar. And don't worry, I've got big Stellar articles, specific stuff coming up right after this. Now, Thursday, June 2nd is the ADP employment report, followed by Friday the 3rd. That is the general employment report. These are both May's reports. Big here. Why? Because there are expectations regarding employment. And again, if we miss the mark, that is going to send markets down. And with crypto being an extremely volatile asset, hey, if people aren't working, they don't have money to buy crypto. Now, the big one you need to keep your eyes on right here is June 10th at 8:30 a.m. That's a Friday. That's the CPI data for May. This is one of the big reports that the Fed uses to determine what they're going to do for interest rate hikes. Now, getting into interest rate hikes, right? That is now the 14th and 15th of June. Inflation, big talks there. Now, the expectation is 50 basis points. But remember, if that June 10th report, see, I told you guys this stuff matters. If that June 10th report is even worse and inflation is even higher than expected, that might trigger the Fed to kick in a 75 basis point hike, which would then tank the crypto markets. Actually, it would probably tank every market at that point. So like I said, 50 basis points priced in, but 75 if the June 10th report is a piece of crap. Now, June 17th is another big one, and that is at 10 a.m. The unemployment report for the month of May. Again, are we getting back to pre-Rona levels, and how is the economy looking right now as inflation is going up, consumer goods is going up, business costs is going up? Are more people getting laid off, or are more people working? Because again, remember, if more and more people are unemployed, that is less and less fiat out there able to buy crypto. So now we're going to move on to the 21st of June. Here we go. Existing home sales. And the 21st, 24th, and 27th are really big because these are going to be global indicators that are going to come from the United States. So let's get to that. June 21st is existing home sales, housing bubble. I want you to think about this. Investors out there, they are looking and putting a lot of money into real estate. Why? Because you have been making juicy gains over the last couple of years. So now if the home sales start coming out, that home sales are slumping, investors are going to be like, whoa, is the bubble popping? Should we move our money elsewhere? And where else is there a good value right now? In crypto investment. So let's go on with that, okay? The 24th is new home sales. Like I told you, big on homes. Again, are builders out there putting money into new homes? Because if they're not, that is telling us that the economy is shifting from homes into another sector. And crypto is prime and ripe right now with these low prices. And again, June 27th, pending home sales, right? The homes that are already on the market. You guys get my point. That last week, the 21st to the 27th, is going to be about market movement of money. You know what? Let's go real quick, big screen. Private equity groups and big whales have been getting big onto real estate over the last couple years because of its massive returns. With these last reports coming out in June, it's going to let us know if they are still going to be investing in real estate or if that bubble is popping and that money might be moving to crypto. But now onto those Stellar specific stories, because is June going to be a good one? And if you thought that calendar stuff was useful, don't worry, I'm going to have full year calendars posted in the description below. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and support the channel. So Stellar, here we go. Moneygram to partner with Stellar to provide stablecoin remittances. Moneygram CEO bets stablecoin remittances are the future despite chaos in the sector. Why is this important and significant? It is because now with Moneygram launching their big project in June, there are going to be a lot of eyes on Moneygram, and Moneygram is using Stellar, which means there's now going to be a lot of eyes on Stellar. I have seen a huge uptick in articles regarding Stellar lately. I've seen a bunch of posts on Twitter, and I have seen way more social media coverage regarding Stellar, Lumens, XLM. So we're talking big World Economic Forum exposure, and now with Moneygram using their product in June, it's going to be a big juicy month for Stellar. Stellar is going to be all over the news. It's like free advertising with this whole Moneygram thing. Now, I know Moneygram news is nothing new for us Stellar Lumens investors out there, but for those people out there that have no idea what Stellar is, but understand Moneygram and remittances, they're now going to be open to the world of Stellar and blockchain technology. June can prove to be a big bullish month for exposure regarding Stellar Lumens XLM. Check out more cool crypto content right here and see what I do outside of crypto right here. All right, everyone, take care and have a great day.